Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Trimco number 3651613. This is a strike, is what it is. This is what we call a T-strike. If you use your imagination, you can see why we would call it a T-strike. Obviously also known as a 2 3/4 strike. That's a reference to the height. The 3651 is a T-strike. The 613, that is supposed to mean oil-rubbed bronze on a bronze base material. The strike is indeed not magnetic, but it's certainly not solid bronze, which would be what you want on a strike plate. You wouldn't want the material to be that soft. There is a link below this video to a document called Cut Sheet that will allow you to review the dimensional properties of the strike. Let's go over it now. 2 3/4 overall height. Okay, you've got an overall width. They're giving it at 1 29/30. That's nice to know. The strikes, however, are really measured from the center line of the screw hole to the edge of the lip, and that is indeed given from the factory, and that's 1 11/30. That's the important part, because the lip length is really how these are defined from the center line of the screw hole. Some clients will also ask for the hole size on the inside of the strike. Be happy to oblige. The height looks like it's about 1 1/4 inches. The usable width, back to the retaining flange, looks like it's about 11/16. Okay. On that link to the cut sheet, there is also the 3652 information, which is the 4 7/8 strike. They give the material thickness at 3/32. The caliper says that this item is 0.1. I mean, literally 0.100. Okay, 1 divided by 32 times 3. Yeah, it's going to be very close to 100 thousandths thick. A little bit shy, but there you go. Now, where are you going to use a 3651? Well, you can use it anywhere where you need a T-strike, certainly. But in the Trimco line, you're going to find a 3651 used with their push and pull latches, their hospital push and pull latches, a variety of different types, paddles up, paddles down, one up, one down, different back sets naturally. But the 3651 is the standard strike for lots of push and pull latches. You can, and by the way, screws are included. They're a combination thread, half wood, half machine, so that they will work on either size, or type, I should say, frame. 832 flat undercut head is what this would be called, and obviously in a complementary finish. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Trimco products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, along with a link to the full product catalog. And that full product catalog is where you can open it and then do a find function on your keyboard for 3651, and you'll see not only that strike, but you'll see the sister 3652 strike, but as you continue to search through, you'll see the push and pull latches that it is used with as well. The name Trimco is synonymous with very high quality, exceptional fit and finish, trim and auxiliary hardware. Unfortunately, the name Trimco is also synonymous with unpredictable and unreliable lead times, which is historically not the case, but there are bumps in the road. So, although it's incredibly true to say that their material is always well worth the wait, do this. Do Trimco. Get the best that there is. I believe that's Trimco. Give yourself ample lead time so that Trimco has the ability to produce the material in a reasonable time frame that does not leave anyone's expectations any short of being completely met. If you have any questions on the Trimco 3651 T-strike and a 613 finish, or any other Trimco product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.